Welcome to the Market Bull. I'm Sarah Powell, and joining me from Florida from the Rule Symposium for Natural Resource Investing is Power Metal Resources CEO Sean Wade. Sean, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. It's great to be speaking to you from this eagerly awaited event. It's been a challenging time for investors in the resources space over recent months, and we'd love to hear how is the atmosphere there, and are you getting any sense of positivity returning to the sector?
Hi Sarah, yes, absolutely. It's a fantastic atmosphere here. Lots of investors have come and attended, and as Mr. Rule said in his speech this morning, he's turned away more exhibitors than he's accepted. So there is a really positive atmosphere, and we're having lots of great engagement with investors.
Thank you, Sean. Next, can we talk about uranium, which is becoming a popular topic amongst market speculators as the metal is now considered a key energy transition component. So, considering that Power currently holds the largest portfolio of uranium-focused exploration licenses on the London market, I would imagine that this element of Power's portfolio is receiving a lot of attention at the symposium.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, this is day one. We've had a lot of conversations about uranium already. There are one or two other uranium companies, and they're seeing what we're seeing, which is really great investor engagement and really great interest in the sector. I mean, we know that Rick Rule is a big uranium bull, and we're hoping that part of that and what he's saying and what we've got to say this week is going to really get that message across to our investors.
Thanks, Sean. And finally, since assuming the role of CEO, you've intimated there's lots of work currently underway. Can you give us an idea of when investors might start to see this vision becoming a reality?
Yes, it's a great question. I mean, we put out an announcement this morning which talks about the project portfolio, what we've been up to, and what investors can look forward to going forward. I mean, I think quite a lot of the vision has already become a reality. We've seen the gold and metal IPO, for example, earlier this year, and that's having a great impact on our balance sheet. And we go through that in the announcement. We talk about the balance sheet growth that shareholders have experienced since the September year end, which is really impressive. And I think there's a lot more to come. We've got the First Development Resources IPO well underway, and we're looking forward to talking more about that. We've got the Uranium Energy Exploration IPO also underway, and again there'll be updates coming forward on that. We've got our initiatives in Saudi Arabia, which we want to talk a lot more about going forward, and of course conversations continue in respect to our African assets, Malopo, Tati in particular, but also potentially Haneti as well. So across the portfolio there are lots of opportunities for us to add value, and I'm looking forward to updating shareholders on that going forward.
Sean, thank you so much for your time today. It's been a fantastic opportunity to get a sense of how things are going at the event, and we'll look forward to catching up again soon.